The Starlink Mini Mount Kit is designed to securely attach to car windows and sunroofs, providing a reliable solution for keeping your satellite firmly in place during travels. This mounting kit is engineered to minimize vibrations and movements, ensuring a stable satellite signal, which is perfect for maintaining reliable internet on RVs, boats, and in off-grid locations. Installation and removal are hassle-free, requiring no tools, making it an ideal choice for users who need a quick setup during camping, road trips, or mobile work. Constructed from sturdy, corrosion-resistant materials, this mount is built to withstand harsh weather and road conditions, promising long-lasting performance. Its versatile design makes it suitable for various vehicles including cars, vans, RVs, and boats, making it a great companion for road trips and outdoor adventures. The Starlink Mini Mount Kit offers a practical and efficient solution for mobile Starlink setups, ensuring you stay connected wherever your journey takes you.